another math lesson. Today we will be teaching you about special right triangles, focusing mainly on 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90. Now let's go over 30, 60, 90 formulas. The hypotenuse is always the longest side and is across from the 90-degree angle. The long leg is across from the 60-degree angle, and the short leg is across from the 30-degree angle. Next up is shortcut pattern formulas. Remember that these only apply to a 30, 60, 90-degree triangle. Let's call the short leg x. The hypotenuse will always be 2x, and the long leg will always be x root 3. Let's try a sample problem. If the short leg is 2 centimeters long, what are the lengths of the other sides? Well, the hypotenuse will be 4 centimeters and the other leg will be 2 root 3. Now, you try one. If the hypotenuse is 8 centimeters, how long will the others be? Well, because the hypotenuse is 2x and the shorter leg is x, what does that make the shorter leg? Well, the shorter leg is 4 centimeters, making the longer leg 4 root 3. Now let's go over 45, 45, 90 formulas. The hypotenuse remains the longest side and is still across from the 90-degree angle, like in the 30, 60, 90. Next up is a shortcut pattern formula. Remember that these only apply to a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. Let's call the legs x. The hypotenuse will always be x root 2, no matter what. Let's try a sample problem. If the legs have a length of 5 centimeters, what is the hypotenuse length? 5 root 2. Who's up for another practice problem? If the triangle's hypotenuse is 10, how do you find the length of the leg? Because you're trying to find x and 10 equals x root 2, you would divide 10 by root 2. Their answer is around 7. Let's do one more by yourself. If the hypotenuse length is 20 centimeters, what is the length of each leg? The answer is around 14 centimeters. Hope that helped. Stay tuned for next week's video, Help with Pythagorean Theorem, featuring Marium and Bhavana.